Comparing oily hair shampoos gets messy because each one solves a different routine problem. The buying mistake is choosing maximum cleansing when your dry lengths need balance. Choose moisture, rotation, scrubbing, or buildup removal. For moisturizing shampoo for oily hair, Davines Nounou Repair Shampoo is my choice when roots get oily but lengths feel dry, brittle, or color-treated. Its nourishing formula is positioned for severely dry hair. It remains lightweight enough for an oily hair routine. That balance matters because aggressive cleansing isn't always right from roots to ends. But this may be richer than necessary when oil is your only concern. Dry lengths may also need conditioner or a hair mask. That adds another bottle and routine step. Skip it if you mainly want product buildup removal or a dedicated scalp scrub. For shampoo for oily hair with scalp buildup concerns, L'Oreal Elvive Hyaluron Pure Moisturizing Shampoo for oily hair offers oil-focused cleansing without abandoning moisture entirely. I'd pick it for a rotation instead of forcing one shampoo into every wash. Salicylic acid gives the formula its clarifying direction. Hyaluronic acid supports its moisturizing role. So it targets buyers juggling oil, buildup, and dryness within one broader routine. The catch is that alternating shampoos may avoid unwanted dryness. That creates more storage and replacement planning. Skip it if you want one simple shampoo or a dedicated periodic scrub. For weekly scalp scrub for oily hair, R+Co Crystal Halo Balancing Scalp Scrub Plus Shampoo isn't the everyday bottle I'd leave alone in your shower. I'd add it when you already have regular clarifying washes and want an occasional scrub step. Its once-weekly role makes the routine easy to understand. Regular shampoo handles normal washes, while this covers the planned reset. But that specialization means maintaining multiple products instead of replacing your current shampoo. It also takes more storage and scheduling than a minimal routine. Skip it if you need one bottle for every wash or dislike tracking separate wash days. For shampoo for removing product buildup, Baxter of California Deep Clean Shampoo is the focused option I'd consider when styling products leave hair feeling weighed down. Its deep clean roll suits occasional washes aimed at accumulated product. It is not for everyday oil management. That makes it a practical companion for regular users of pomades, creams, sprays, or other styling products. But it's fairly drying and isn't meant to be your everyday shampoo. You'll still need another bottle for routine washing. That adds storage and replacement burden. Skip it if moisture for dry lengths matters most, or you want one uncomplicated daily product. Davines fits oily roots with dry lengths. L'Oreal fits buyers willing to rotate. R+Co adds a scheduled scrub, while Baxter targets styling buildup. Your real choice is routine complexity, not maximum cleansing. Before buying, decide whether this replaces your shampoo or joins it. Check storage space, wash frequency, and whether extra conditioner or rotating bottles will annoy you. I default to Davines for oily roots with genuinely dry lengths. Switch to Baxter for styling buildup, R+Co for a weekly scrub, or L'Oreal if rotation suits you. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine.